Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you 6 powerful features of the Stellar Toolkit for Outlook. This toolkit helps you repair PST files, convert OST files, recover deleted emails, manage large PSTs, and much more. Let's start with repairing a damaged or corrupt PST file. Here I am selecting the corrupt PST sample and running the repair scan. After the scan completes, you can see a full preview of all mailbox items, emails, contacts, calendar, notes, and attachments. This allows you to recover the entire Outlook data safely and restore it into a new PST file. Next is recover deleted emails. The toolkit can also recover deleted emails, even if they were permanently deleted from Outlook. You can preview the deleted items here, and when you save the repaired or converted file, all recoverable deleted emails will be restored into the new PST. Next is the OST to PST conversion. This feature is useful when the Outlook profile is not accessible or the Exchange account is unavailable. I'm selecting the sample OST file, and the software quickly scans and shows all the folders. Once the scan completes, you can save everything into a clean PST file or export items individually. And that completes the 6 main features of the Stellar Toolkit for Outlook. It's a simple, powerful solution for repairing, recovering, and managing Outlook data. Thank you for watching.